You probably know the very first DAO, although you may not see it that way. Bitcoin is actually the first fully working DAO because Bitcoin has been functioning autonomously using a consensus protocol in a decentralized fashion, without the need for one person or collective to keep it running. Welcome to our channel, where we sieve through complicated crypto topics, summarize and break them down into bite-sized videos that are easy for you to understand. In today's video, we will be covering: what is a DAO? How do DAOs work? Types of DAOs, how to get involved, benefits of DAOs, problems of DAOs, future of DAOs. What is a DAO? DAO is an acronym for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It is a group of people coming together for a common goal, with a shared wallet in the digital space. There is a flat hierarchy and no central authority. Members make decisions for the future of the project based on voting on proposals by other members. How do DAOs work? A DAO is self-sustaining via codes written on smart contracts, and the smart contracts are programmed to execute certain actions when predefined conditions are fulfilled. Check out our What Are Smart Contracts videos to understand how smart contracts work. Link in the description below. Decisions like the future direction of the project or treasury allocation are collectively made by members via proposals, and the members vote on them. For example, members can vote on how to spend pooled crypto funds held in a community wallet, and funds are moved automatically when the conditions of the smart contracts are met. There is no one person or central authority making decisions for the group, including the original creators. Everyone simultaneously makes decisions for the greater good of the DAO. Nobody's the boss and everyone is the boss. A DAO sounds like the cool future of running an automated business. However, without any management, how does it really work? How can DAO guarantee trust? Where does the funding come from? To answer these questions, we have to talk about how to create and launch a DAO. Basically, there are 3 stages to forming a DAO. Stage 1. Create the smart contract. Core team members set the rules of the DAO and developers will write them into its code in the form of smart contracts. Developers will test the codes to make sure they run smoothly, because the code can only be changed at this stage. If there is a need to change the code after, it can only be done via group voting. Stage 2. Raised funds. The DAO determines a way to get funding, and this is usually done by selling tokens. Members of the public can then purchase the tokens for a certain price if they support the mission and vision of the DAO. Every token is a vote, and members agree to follow the rules when they buy into the DAO. Stage 3. Deployment. Finally, the code is deployed onto the blockchain. The stakeholders now decide the future of the organization. The original creators of the DAO no longer have control of the project. DAOs are built on open-source blockchain. Anyone can see the code, making them autonomous and transparent. Anyone can audit their fund wallets as the blockchain records all transactions. Types of DAOs. Not all DAOs operate with the same purpose. In fact, there are so many types of DAOs these days. Whether your interest is in investing, sports, music, there is or there will be the right DAO for you. Here are the different types of DAO. AMM DAOs or Protocols DAOs. Automated Market Maker DAOs brings DeFi services to members via using smart contract protocols. If you are to the DAI stable coin, then you will know MakerDAO. This DAO is the first ever protocol DAO and continues to change the DeFi space. Uniswap or Compound allow members to vote to implement protocol and financial changes. Collector DAOs. These DAOs purchase cultural collectibles or NFTs. Entertainment DAOs. Do you like how you can vote on the ending of a story or bring your ideas to life? These DAOs are for you then. Fluffworld members can customize their 3D NFT bunnies. If you own one, you have control over the name, looks, characteristics, and so on. You can even license your bunnies out. Another example is Jenkins the Valet. Members can vote on the creative direction of the content in the debut novel. Grants DAOs. Have you seen the program Shark Tank? These DAOs are like the Shark Tank in the digital world. They fund innovative new DeFi projects. Members can vote on projects they believe deserve the funding. An example of a grants DAO is Aave Protocol. Investment DAOs or venture DAOs. We love these DAOs. They open the doors for regular people to invest into big projects that were once reserved for the rich. Example is City DAO. This DAO bought land in Wyoming, while the Crosshouse DAO bought an NBA team. Media DAOs. We also love these DAOs as content creators are rewarded for content produced. Example of projects like these are Forefront and Bankless DAO. Service DAOs. The word service gives us an idea of this type of DAOs. These DAOs link people from around the world to build products and services. Clients can put up tasks for contributors to complete. Contributors are paid in the DAO's tokens. Raid Guild is one such DAO that brings talents together so people can hire them to build DeFi dashboards, dApps, tokens to new DAOs, and so on. Social DAOs. These DAOs bring like-minded people together online. The community has distinct objectives, like arts and culture. A good example is Friends with Benefits, FWB. Members have access to artists and exclusive events. Social media DAOs. Imagine a social media network without ads, or a platform where you have ownership of your identity and data. Blockster is a decentralized social network for people to congregate and socialize. And the best part, Blockster will not steal and sell your data. Please check out our video on What is Web 3.0, where we touch on giving the power back to us, the users. Link in the description below. How to get involved. If you find a DAO that you are passionate about, do your research on the project. Join their Discord and talk to members there. Learn how to use a Web3 wallet so you can buy the DAO's token in exchanges that offer that token. Once you are a token holder, contribute to the community. Benefits of DAOs. There are several benefits to a DAO. The first and most significant benefit is that a DAO is trustless. You place your trust in the codes, and not humans like the CEO, leader, manager. The program will continue no matter what happens. Second, transparent. Every detail of a proposal is available and voting history is recorded. Even voting records of token holders are available to everyone. Third, promotes innovation. As there is a flat hierarchy structure, any stakeholders can propose ideas for everyone to vote, regardless of their stake in the network. Fourth, lowers our investment risk. DAOs give us, the ordinary folks, a chance to invest in early startups and DeFi projects. Because members pool funds, the risk or profits are shared among all the members. Finally, efficient and streamlined, since there is no human involvement during the execution process. Smart contracts execute operations using predefined code and conditions to automatically carry out an action. Costs and security that comes when relying on a third party are reduced. Issues of DAOs. Security risk. The code cannot be altered quickly and easily. It will take some time to update bug fixes due to consensus and voting mechanisms. A centralized coding system may probably take a fraction of the time to update bug fixes. Since a DAO's code is open source, they are easy to exploit and hack when there are bugs and loopholes in the code. A complete rewrite of code is needed as the code cannot be altered, and members need to agree to migrate all funds on the network. The flat hierarchy is a double-edged sword because there is a lack of governance precedence. Who do you hold responsible if things go wrong? How are the members of a DAO protected? And frankly speaking, qualified people, rather than any Tom, Dick, Harry, are better at making intelligent decisions. Future of DAOs. DAOs may become a popular way to scale Web 3.0 companies, since we are still in the early stages of their development. They have the potential to disrupt how a business operates. DAOs sound and look sexy due to their flat hierarchy structure and how every token holder can vote. But can you imagine thousands and thousands of people making decisions for the right course of action for a project? As we end this video, our 2 cents worth on DAOs is that, as with all new technology, the future looks bright, provided the public takes time to understand the projects. We also think the structure of these DAOs may change in the future so that the DAO can be governed well to give long-term benefits to the members. There are so many more DAOs, so let us know if you want us to cover them in our future videos. Just drop a comment in the comment section. Did you enjoy this video? Please feel free to share with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. If you find this video useful, smash the like button as it's a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future crypto-related videos. See you in our next one.